Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to install Python on a Windows operating system. For this, I will be using a PowerShell script which you will see on the screen. I've also added this script in the description of video so you can copy and use it easily. So let's get started. First, go to the Windows machine where you want to install Python. Then download the PowerShell script. I've shared the link to script in the description of the video. After that, open Windows PowerShell from the Start menu. Navigate to the location where script is present and run the script. The script will download Python version 3.8.5 and set the Python path in your system environment variables. If you want to install a different version, you can simply update the version number in the script before running it. Once the installation is complete, open a new terminal window and run python version to check if the Python was installed correctly. And that's it. Python is installed and is ready to use.